In today's video, we're going to the Hilton Vienna Plaza and we're staying at the Royal Suite for free. $10:02, alright. At the Hilton Plaza, Vienna. Gotta check in to our room, the Royal Suites, and got it with my free night certificate with Hilton and the American Express Hilton card that gives me gold status. Oh, 10 is penthouse floor, which we deserve. Dina? Alright, 10:02. Oh, it's in the corner? Oh, yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! And they brought our stuff in. Oh! They told us 85 square meters. 85 square meters! Oh man! Whoa! Living room. Whoa. Other living room. Whoa! With free water. And huge bed. Whoa! Got super lucky that this hotel is sold out and we're staying one night. And I have Hilton Gold status, which gives me upgrades. Whoa! Here's the bathroom. Oh, that's a big room just for a toilet. That's the toilet. It's not, it's not a Japanese toilet, but for European standards, it's excellent. Whoa! Big bath with shower. The Royal Suite. And I think the coolest part is the balcony. Oh, please do not leave children unattended. Secondary locking device. Okay. Whoa! Hello, Vienna. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Whoa, this is nice. This is nice. Ha 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 ha! Oh. I love Hilton so much. I didn't even tell him I'm an unsuccessful vlogger and blogger. I just have gold status and I'm a regular person with a credit card. With a credit card that gives you status, priority pass access, all for like $100. Whoa! Hilton! Hilton does it again. Got our safe. Oh, bathrobes and slippers. We'll need that for outside. I don't even know the amenities at this hotel. Let's see. There should be a fridge. Gold and silver. We got a little water, I think. Yeah, that's right. Yes, because I have gold status. Then we got the coffee machine. Ooh, can't afford that. €7 for gummy bears, raisin, nuts. All are €7. I will absolutely not be touching that. Okay, storage. Okay. Oh man, this is an automated mini bar. That means you remove anything, you automatically pay for it. Let's just close this forever. And just storage. And that's the Hilton Royal Suite. And we make our way to the Executive Lounge. Okay. It's pretty normal. There's no snacks and stuff. Oh, I got a cycling event. Police escorted. Hilton Vienna Plaza. Man, got really hooked up on this hotel room. Right now, we're at the balcony, and I'm just walking around. Penthouse level, all for free. My God. Hilton is definitely the most generous chain to their elite status holders. I've had Radisson and Hyatt. Hyatt is nice, but they're typically really cheap. You never get breakfast, even with the status you get from a credit card, so that's kind of a bummer. Marriott, sometimes. Depends on where. Chinese breakfast. This is all that looks interesting at the Hilton breakfast. How'd I do it? Alright, I have the American Express Hilton Surpass card. I know it's a lot of words, but that's what it is. There's a lot of different flavors of the American Express Hilton credit cards, and this one's a little more on the premium side with a $95 annual fee, but with lots of great benefits. So, one of the benefits of the American Express Surpass card is it gives you gold status. Gold status is amazing at Hilton hotels because it gives you 3 important things. 1, upgrades. Upgrades to the executive level, which is great, which gives you the next best thing, club access. Club access is the lounge at the Hilton, and they normally have free drinks including alcohol, soda, coffee, all types of drinks that you'd pay a lot for, snacks, light meals, and breakfast. Best benefit is breakfast. You and your guest get free breakfast at the Hilton. At the Hilton Vienna Plaza, they charge 28 euros for it. So, of course, that's going to be a lot of money if you're paying out of pocket, but if you're hacking it, it's free. Booking this hotel. Alright, the Hilton Vienna Plaza is expensive all around. With cash, you're looking at around 300 to 400 bucks a night. With points, you're looking at 60,000 points per night, and it's expensive. It's expensive, and I absolutely don't think it's worth it unless you're using a free night certificate like what I did. So I had a Hilton free night certificate. You get that with several of the other flavors of American Express Hilton cards. I made the spend requirement of 15,000, and that gives you a free weekend night certificate on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Other great benefits for travelers are early check-in and late check-out. This is great because I know a lot of flights or trains. If you want the cheapest option, it gets you there at weird hours like early in the morning or late at night. So if you're arriving early in the morning, it's great, and if you're leaving late at night, you get late checkout. Otherwise, you're just kind of lost in the city for a few hours with no home base. Let's talk about the room. So, the Royal Suite, amazing. As you can see, everything was large, extravagant, very luxurious, amazing view from the balcony. So, you saw that, it's great, but let's talk about the bad things at the Hilton. One of the bad things is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is slow. So I did a speed test and I was getting around 3 megabits per second, which is enough to stream something on your phone, but not great if you're going to stream something to the TV. So if you want that premium internet, you gotta pay like 20 bucks a day with Hilton. So they charge you a lot if you want fast Wi-Fi. The second thing I hate about the Hilton is that they have no refrigerator. You'll find in a lot of smaller hotels or smaller chains, boutique hotels, they'll give you a refrigerator for your stuff when you're traveling. So, you can put in your drinks, your food, you can store it, whatever. But at the Hilton, they don't have a fridge for you. They have a mini bar. They have a mini bar which is very sensitive, so if you move anything and it triggers the alert saying you touched it and you moved the item or something, you'll get charged exorbitant prices for that snack or drink. And it's crazy too that they even charge you for these things, because you get very similar items in the club lounge for free. So it doesn't really make any sense, but it's another way for them to charge you a lot of money for a small mistake. And the third thing I didn't like at this Hilton was the breakfast. The breakfast, they were charging 28 euros, and that's outrageous. 28 euros for a very basic breakfast. They didn't have any cooks or anything, and it was just a very basic Western spread of food: bacon, eggs, waffles. Nothing I would ever pay even 10 euros for. 10 euros, it's kind of close, but I'd rather go eat somewhere else where I have more options. And it's kind of weird, for such a luxurious hotel, they had really poor service. They didn't provide any drinks, you had to go get it on your own, and there wasn't any cooks. At least that's what I thought. So after I waited a while and I was finishing my meal, I later saw people were getting omelets and their coffee served, and I was like, no one asked me, what the heck? So that was a little weird. If they do offer that service, they don't really have any signs in English or tell you and make it apparent that, hey, you want something fresh? We'll bring it right to you. You want some coffee? We'll bring it right to you. So that's kind of weird that Hilton, that advertises itself as a high-end luxury brand, did not provide that service. I'm just coming from a very critical point of view since they charge a lot, and I had way better service at a Hilton in Kuala Lumpur. You gotta see that video because I loved it. For breakfast, they had like 5 different chefs serving up custom items. They all had their different stations and the type of meals that they create, and it was an amazing experience and my favorite breakfast at any Hilton I've stayed at yet. So if you want to book with Hilton, I highly suggest you book with Hilton.com because they give you the best rates. So this is how Hilton's best price match guarantee works. Let's say you booked a night with Hilton and it costs $220 all in, and then you find a lower rate with Expedia which costs $200, and then you want a price match with Hilton, like, hey Hilton, what the heck, I found a lower rate on another site. Just submit that to Hilton and they'll give you the best price match guarantee if the rate qualifies. So you have to check the very specific details of the room type and cancellation policy to see if you can get that best price match guarantee. And if so, your $220 booking gets matched to the $200 booking plus 25% off the entire stay. So if you're only spending $200, it gets matched at $200 minus 25%, making your total stay $150. That is an insane discount. If you're looking for just a more affordable boutique hotel, I highly recommend checking out my other video here, gotta put it in this hand, about how to get 13% off any hotel. It's a pretty basic strategy, but it makes a lot of sense. Check it out. I'll be giving out more reviews and travel tips. And on another note, they didn't pay me or anything for this review or give me the upgrade because I said I'm an unsuccessful blogger or vlogger that was going to do a review. I just like doing these reviews to share my experience. I just like doing these reviews to gain traffic. I just like doing these reviews because I think it'll make me money one day. That's what people do.